Hey, what is going on? Happy Tuesday, everybody. Hopefully everybody's having a good week so far. I know we had to get back to the grind yesterday. It was Monday, but it's Tuesday. It's 2 o'clock. Thanks for stopping in. Hey, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure that you're part of the channel. And don't forget, if you need anything, 690adv@gmail.com. And if you need any gear or anything, down in the description. Sure helps the channel out. Thank you so very much. Anyway, today, bike cleanliness. This is going to be a two-part series to this video. This is the first part. I'm just going to kind of talk about the product. Usually when I clean my motorcycles, this bike here is actually getting a new battery installed, and that's going to be done here this week. Once that's done, it's going to come off the lift, and then we're going to take it outside. But what we're going to do is really get up all in here and get it all clean. And what do we use, or what do I use normally when I clean my motorcycle? Normally I use I like degreasers. I really like degreasers because it gets in, it gets all that gunk, it gets any of that road grime that gets picked up over the road, any of that nasty stuff, it usually knocks it down. Well, I'll tell you what, usually I just use a standard degreaser like the stuff you get at, you know, any automotive store, whatever, the orangey type smelling stuff. Well, you know what? Super Clean reached out to me and asked me if I would love to try their product. They said they had really great products for getting in there and cleaning these motorcycles. I said, well, great, send it and let's try it out. Well, they did. They sent me some of their foaming degreaser and also some of the other degreasing stuff that they have, and we're going to try it out. So I'm going to clean this bike really good, kind of do a before and after, but I'm also going to shoot a video and show you how well it does. But I like using the degreasers because, like I said, it really gets up in the motor, mainly the chain around the sprockets and all that type of stuff. And then I like to go back in and re-lubricate, do all the type of stuff that I like to do. But the degreasers do such a great job in breaking everything down and getting your bike super clean. So think about maybe some super clean. And like I said, you know, I am going to do a two-part video on how well this stuff does. I've heard really good things about super clean, so I would be shocked if it just doesn't do a fantastic job. But if you're thinking about some super clean, like I said, there's no discounts to this stuff. They don't have it. They're in every major, you know, department store, you know, like the Walmarts, the Targets, and AutoZone and all that type stuff. You can pick some up. It's super cheap. I'll put some down below for an Amazon link. But yeah, degreasers are fantastic for cleaning your bikes and getting them ready to get basically re-lubricated and ready to rock and roll for your trip. Anyway, hey, I'm Joe. Have a great day. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Be part of the channel. 690 out.